Just gonna grab this graphic from here and move it here. And then from here, we're gonna just right click, go to create shapes from vector layer. And then from here, we can expand this outline. Here we have add, then here we have trim paths. Click on that, expand. Then here we have the start and end. I'm gonna enter here 50, 50, let's see. And then around here, let's say I'll enter now 100, then here 0. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, that's obviously way too fast. Can now highlight our keyframes and then just press ease. And then here we can just drag and then maybe offset this like this, the keyframes. Now this is what we have, very simple. You can do this with other graphics, those that have also, fill exactly like this one. So you can just repeat the same process, create shapes from layer, and then you can add a trim path and then just repeat the same process. And let's say, and you see how you can create a very nice effect. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. I just learned this, how to create this recently, and I thought of sharing this with you. And by the way, you can also, let's say if you have a PNG with an icon, you can go to layer, auto trace, okay, and then go to stroke, drag and drop this stroke onto your layer, or you can just select your logo, your layer, and then just double click and you'll be able to add the effect. And then from here, you can basically just add a keyframe for start and end. Okay, we have here the keyframes, and then here you can decrease, and then this is what we have. Doesn't look, because let's change this on transparent, all masks. Okay, you can increase from here, move here, there, and now we're gonna change here to on transparent. I'm gonna increase the brush size, and then we can add a keyframe for start and for end. And then from here we can basically just let's press U to see our keyframes, and then here let's say the same 50, 50, and then here I'll enter 100, and then here 0. Okay, and this is what we have now. We can also add this effect, saber, and let's say we don't use stroke, we're gonna use this. We're gonna go here to customize core, layer mask, and we can animate this as well through this to start offset and then end offset. Then here I'm gonna enter 50, 50, 50, and then here 100, 0. Then this is what we have. Very simple, but yeah, just something I learned and I thought share with you. Very simple, but I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.